channel, please subscribe. So today we will be doing, and this is my sister Caroline. And so today we will be doing loom bracelets. And if you don't know what a loom bracelet is, it is basically a bracelet made out of rubber bands. Here's an example. I made this
for Mom.
So let's get right to it. The first step to making your loom bracelet is figuring out what method you can use. You can use it on this method. I have the moon loom method, but you can do it the same way on your fingers. And I'm just gonna choose a simple way, because if you don't have this, you can just do it a simple way on your finger, 2 fingers. So all you'll need is your 2 fingers for this lesson. So next you'll have to do your colors. So Caroline, what color should we pick?
Pink and yellow.
All right. I'm just gonna dump them out because that's easier.
Oh.
Okay. So you can choose as many colors as you want, but we are just gonna be doing pink and yellow. And I will be doing measurements if you're making it for someone else and you don't know what size of bracelet you need, measure it as you go. So yeah. So you're just gonna pick out your colors and then you're gonna start. So we'll be back whenever I'm done. This is the color. This is what the colors look like. Hey everybody, so I now have the colors. For my sister's arm, this one has about like 30 or 40 rubber bands on it, and then this one, I'm gonna do about 10 of each color on her because she is small. So we're gonna get started. So Caroline, what color do you want to start with?
Yellow.
By the way, I am making this bracelet for my sister. So what you'll do is you'll twist it like this on your fingers. And then you'll get the second color. And if you're making more, it's perfectly fine to just do it with a different color. And then you'll get your second color and you'll put it on top. And then if you have a third color, you will. But since we are not using a third color, we are just gonna put our first color back on top, and it should look like that. So next you want to grab your yellow and you want to just put it over those to look like that. And then you just scoot those down, and then you'll keep doing the same method all over again. It's like this. And that's what it looks like doubled. So I will keep doing this, and guys, we will see you back in a bit. Peace. Okay.
Didn't?
Okay. So you have to have one of these things. They're really small, so you gotta use them. Okay, you gotta use one of those, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one at the end right here. Hold on. You're gonna take this pink one off right now. The top one, like your first one that you have on, you're gonna take that off because you don't need that one. So I just put it like that one because you don't need that one. It's gonna make it harder for you to do your bracelet. So you take that off and then you do this. So you get your bottom one first, that way you don't mess your bracelet up. And you clip it onto here. You have to kind of like pull it. So now that you have that, you want to take this off your fingers and put it on one finger like that. And then take it and then grab it as fast as you can so it doesn't close up, because you don't want it to close or it might break. So now that you got that, you'll get this and you'll do the same thing that you did on the other side. Okay, so I finally got that done. So now we're gonna measure it. So Karen, arm. Do it like that. Is it tight? If it's tight, then you'll know. So is it tight? Nope, it's perfectly fine. So then you have a bracelet. That's how you make a loom bracelet. Easy 3-step way. So first you get your rubber. Step 1, rubber bands. Step 2, do the thing. And then step 3, close it all up. That's it. It's really easy. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, the subscribe button, and the notifications bell right beside the subscribe button.